Thank you for taking the time to learn more about QuoteValet Insight. We designed QuoteValet Insight to give you insight and visibility into your sales activities from any web device like your phone, tablet, or PC. We rely heavily on both QuoteWerks and QuoteValet internally here at QuoteWerks. We have many years of data in QuoteValet, and when we turned on QuoteValet Insight, we instantly had major visibility over our quoting and sales processes across the board from all sales reps, including a sales rep comparative matrix showing relative performance, seeing top dollar quotes, converted orders, number of quotes sent, accepted, and paid, sales rep and customer comments, number of customer views on documents, and much more. QuoteValet Insight is designed with features in mind for what sales reps need to be successful and what business owners and sales managers need to run their businesses. To log into QuoteValet Insight, you can use any web-enabled device like your laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone and navigate to quotevalet.com/login. You'll enter your QuoteValet tenant account number in your unified QuoteWerks credentials. If you don't know what your QuoteValet account number is, you can click on the Launch QuoteValet Insight button from the QuoteValet dashboard from within QuoteWerks, and your tenant account number and username will be pre-filled on the QuoteValet Insight login page. Let's log into QuoteValet Insight as a sales rep. As a sales rep, I need to know what's going on with my quotes and proposals. Let's start with the inbox. The inbox is equivalent to the QuoteValet inbox in QuoteWerks, but completely mobile. I can easily see what documents need attention, like first views, customer comments posted, quotes that are accepted, and more. I can quickly and easily see both the sales reps and customer-facing views on QuoteValet Classic, as well as viewing all activity within the document. With my summary, I now have reporting and drill-down functionality to give me an overview of all of my quotes and orders over a given period. As a QuoteWerks administrator, you can limit what your sales reps can see in this mode. By default, your sales rep will only have access to yesterday's and today's data. I will show you how to administer QuoteValet Insight later in this presentation. With peer reviews, I can explore information about documents that are currently being collaborated on. I can easily view a document's activity history, make comments about it, send notes to the rep who owns the document, and more. QuoteValet Insight adheres to the rights of QuoteWerks. You can only see the documents and sales reps' data that you have access to. With Find, I can quickly locate and view any QuoteValet document by searching by the document number, name, or who I quoted it to. This is important because I now have access to any quotes that I have delivered via QuoteValet Insight from anywhere. I also have the ability to quickly launch QuoteValet Mobile right here from QuoteValet Insight to create quotes on my laptop or tablet. Now let's log into QuoteValet Insight as a company executive or business owner. It is difficult to weed through the volume of transactions that occur in our companies and then turn that into meaningful, actionable information. We designed our executive summary to do just that. With the executive summary, I now have the complete visibility over all the company's quotes and sales. This view is similar to the My Summary view we used as a sales rep, but includes all the sales reps and periods that I have rights to view. Business owners at a glance for any particular period, whether that be today, this week, or this month, can see how many quotes were sent out and how many quotes were accepted and paid for. There is now visibility over comments posted by both customers and sales reps. From the executive summary and other views, I have the ability to send note for each document. This provides me with the opportunity to review sales rep quotes and send a note like, "Hey, great job on that," or "Hey, don't do that again." This is both practical and useful. As part of the executive summary, I can also see the comparative analysis. With this, I can compare the relative performance of my sales reps over different periods of time based on quotes, orders, dollar amounts, and the actual quantities of those quotes and orders. In addition to peer reviews, I also have access to approvals. Before QuoteValet Insight, you would rely solely on emails to notify you of what documents required your approval. You would have no idea if any other approvers had already approved those documents. Now you only see documents that are actually waiting on your review and approval. As an executive or QuoteValet admin, I also have access to the QuoteValet Insight Usage Monitor. I can see which of my employees are using QuoteValet along with what activities they are using in QuoteValet and from what IP address. The last part of QuoteValet Insight is the status board. With the status board, you have important information about your sales team, including priority notifications and metrics from the day, week, month, and year. We have this status board on a 47-inch monitor in our sales cube area as a motivator for the team and also for executives and managers. The whole sales team can see it. As I walk into the sales area, I immediately know how many quotes have been sent, accepted, and viewed, and I also know if there are any quotes that need attention and which sales reps need to address them. The status board shows priority notifications, meaning any quotes that are accepted, payments that are made, expired quotes viewed by customers, comments that are posted, and more. These are things that we need to act on quickly. Our recommendation if you're planning to use this functionality is to create a new login called Status Board and restrict the rights so that user can only see the status board in QuoteValet Insight. While on the status board, the screen will automatically refresh every minute and the user will not be logged out of QuoteValet Insight. The great thing about QuoteValet Insight is that your team can start using it right away. QuoteValet Insight uses the same unified login that you use with QuoteWerks, and it also adheres to document user access rights that you have already set up in QuoteWerks. By default, all users, including users with master rights, will only be able to see the My Summary, Find, Inbox, Peer Reviews, and Approvals with access only to today and yesterday's periods. So they will not be able to see the executive summary out of the box. We do not activate all QuoteValet Insight features by default because with them, any user could very quickly gain access to all sales numbers being quoted and ordered for your company throughout QuoteValet. What controls your user's ability to see the various elements of QuoteValet Insights are access rights, which are set up and controlled by your master installation of QuoteWerks. Changes to access rights cannot be made from a remote installation of QuoteWerks. To edit a user's QuoteValet access rights, go to the Access tab of the user's maintenance window. To help you find the QuoteValet Insight access rights, just type in QuoteValet Insight in the Spotlight search, and you'll see all of the access rights pertaining to QuoteValet Insight in bold. Generally, you want to give your sales manager executives the following access rights to have full access to the executive summary. To show the executive summary, choose Can Use QuoteValet Insight Executive Summary. To show dollar totals, choose Can See Totals in QuoteValet Insight Executive Summary. To show more than just yesterday and today date ranges on the executive summary, choose the appropriate periods like this week, last week, all the way through this year. For your sales reps, you will probably want to give them more access on the My Summary page. To give them access to see the dollar totals, you can choose See Totals in QuoteValet Insight My Summary. You may also want to give them access to more periods like this month. If you do not want to give your users access to My Summary or even QuoteValet Insight itself, you can restrict it by selecting the corresponding Cannot Use option. If you're setting up a status board user, make sure to choose Can Use QuoteValet Insight Status Board. If you're enabling QuoteValet Insight in an existing QuoteWerks environment, you can use the Apply To tab to copy the access rights to similar users or groups. Please remember that by doing this, you will be overwriting all of the existing user groups' access rights. When you close the user maintenance window, all of the rights that you just modified will be synchronized with QuoteValet. The last setup area enables you to add IP address restrictions for both QuoteValet Insight and also for the status board. If you're familiar with firewall restrictions on the router, this may be very familiar. If you want to be very restrictive, you can start off by denying everyone for every IP address, and then start allowing more IP addresses for specific users or groups. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about QuoteValet Insight and how it will benefit your company. QuoteValet Insight is included with your existing QuoteValet subscription at no additional charge. If you have questions about implementing QuoteValet Insight in your organization, please feel free to give us a call at 407-248-1481.